my dear brothers and sisters, daughters and sons. Didge Mother here, Lies Beijerink, and I want to introduce my beautiful dog here. This is Bart. You heard him in the last video, or the video before actually. You heard him eating and walking around, and you probably will hear him in the future too. So this week, video number 8, we're gonna look at the cheeks and the tongue in support of circular breathing. Video 3 we looked at the cheeks and 2 at the tongue, and we're gonna use them and be aware of them in this video. So one thing is the cheeks. I want you to start with flat cheeks always, so the lips are quite nice and tight. We're gonna expand the cheeks and make them go flat. So that exercise we did in 3, I'm gonna show it again. So that's one part of this circular breathing. The second part is an articulation, tongue. And that's going to be the E, the tongue is forward, the U, the tongue backwards, And that we can breathe in. So it's going to be E-U, 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 E. And the cheeks are going to be flat, round, flat, flat, round, flat, flat, round, flat. Okay, I'll show you in the didgeridoo. Okay, so flat cheeks with an E, that's your start. Then the tongue goes backward to the U. Your cheeks expand. Third part is closing the And then it's gonna move forward. Okay, and that's the moment you breathe in. But try maybe a couple of times without breathing, and then next time try to get the timing of the breathing in. Okay, so in the beginning maybe this tempo is a bit slow because you have to find the right timing and speed of how fast the tongue goes forward. Maybe it goes too fast, maybe it goes too slow. So you have to find the timing. If it goes too fast, you could sort of get a whoppy sound. So if it goes too slow, you might lose the tone. So it's all about the timing. I would suggest this speed for the beginning. Here we go. And one of the big mistakes in this one is that you're gonna stop after the moving and then breathe out. But the breathing out needs to be completely straight away after. So it's going to be E-O, E-O, E. So out, focus more on the out. Somebody asked me, how much do I breathe? Well, actually I breathe all the time. I'm going to show you because, of course, I'm going to be a pump. And I'm going to show you my belly and you will see it moving out, and that's every time I'm breathing in. Here we go. Yeah, so that's it. Clear, right? So just get comfortable. Make sure at one point when the tone keeps going that you try to find excuse me, try to find the pump again, and yeah, have fun. So please help me get that 1,000 subscribers, because the 1,000th person is gonna have an online lesson with me. A free one. So share, like, subscribe, and write comments. And I will try to help you become an excellent Didge player. So everybody's gonna be excellent Didgeridoo players. That's in my perfect world, of course. And my brothers and sisters, daughters and sons, have a lovely week, and I'll catch you next week for some more circular breathing. Ciao!